Okay, this is the computer case, and here's the PCI Express slot, the blue, and here's a pretty large video card. Okay, and the problem is that the video card is pretty large. If you think that you need another case just to fit in a video card like this, then you're wrong. Just insert it there onto the right side where the hard drives are stored. Let's put this serial ATA cable away, and that's it. I have to connect the cable somehow. That's the DVI cable. Now I have to mount this thing here on the side, which supports these elements there. Both of them are from the video card. As you can see, they're moving. And that's it. You don't need another case just to fit in a wider video card like this. That's the power. That's another power. And this is the final product. This metal element has been mounted with 2 screws. The cable is connected, the DVI cable, and here on the right side, a centimeter, or not even a centimeter, enters here into this zone where the hard drives are stored, and that's it. You can fit a larger video card into a smaller PC case.